Alright guys, I got it. It's been a long time coming, but I got it. This time, I chose not to peek. So, when I see it, it'll be the first time I'm seeing it. I see the box a little bit bent up, but that's fine. So, what I'm gonna do now is open her up. Time to take it out. Got my hands on a warranty sheet, which shows that it's certainly official. And this is it. I think I should put the light on it. Give you a better view. It's amazing, guys. Give you the back view. Ah, so she was in the back. Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright, so now we're gonna open this bad boy up and give it a test run. Got the card here showing me how to install the batteries. And for the hand too, which is pretty interesting. And like if I want to put in the right hand, how to uninstall the drill. I'm not sure if I want to do that though. So that's enough of all that. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Alright, so this here is the hand that lights up. Figured out how to take this thing out. Which was essentially to struggle to pry this little piece here off. And now, all we have to do is put in some AG3 batteries. Which is different from the AG13 batteries to light up his helmet. So while I scrounge around and look for those, you do whatever it is you do. Which is probably not a lot, because I'll be back in literally a second. This is him outside of the box. And even though I'm not really too fond of that odd crease, overall it's good. Overall I'm happy with it. Even came with this little piece here. Kinda hurts when I stab myself with it. Pointy. Stab, stab. Stab you in your knees. Okay. Let me just put it in. There you go. You're welcome. I'm gonna look around you now. Yeah, no, I did this exact same thing with the last Big Daddy. Now, I'm going to turn him around, show you his backside, with her off of him, of course. And then I'm going to show you the light up feature. That was just my headphones. So this is the back of him. I like that attention to detail with the Adam and the Eve. And you can tell as well as I do that there's actually no fluid inside. It's just painted that way for show. Which I still like. They even got this part right. Really good, really good. And now for the LED feature. There's a piece I can take off. If I remember right. Right, it's that piece. Let me get it off and put in these batteries. Ta-da! His light up feature is amazing. I'm not even gonna front. It's awesome. I'm such a super nerd for this type of stuff. It's beautiful, man. I'm glad I went out of my way and got it. Really, I am. Yeah, I know. It's telling me my battery's about to die. So yeah. I think it's totally worth the $305. Well, that's all I wanted to show you for now. So I'll see you later.